Hi everyone, in today's video I'll take a quick view of the program called Paint.net. And Paint.net is a graphic editing program where you can edit images or photos. And you can also draw on Paint.net. But the most important part is that it's a free program that you can easily download on the internet. So let's get started. This is how it looks like when you first come into the Paint.net. And these are the control windows. As you can see on the upper right corner, there are some little icons. So if you click it, it will hide the control windows. And if you click the icon again, it will bring it back. And the hammer is for the tools window. And the little clock is the history window. And this is the layers, and this is for color. And Paint.net is almost the same as the other program. Like, let's open the file here. The options here is the same as the other program. You can open the file, you can save files, or you want to print it or close it. It's the same as the other program. And it's very convenient that on the right tells us the shortcut key of the option, so that you don't have to remember it. But what's important is that when we click New to create a new file, it means we're creating a new canvas. And a canvas is where you can draw or paint on it. You can set up the width and the height you want. For example, you can create your canvas as an A4 paper, and the width will be 595 pixels, and the height will be 842 pixels. When you finish setting up, just press OK. Then a new canvas will be created. So that's it for today's video. If you have any problem or questions, you can just comment down below. And hope you enjoy it. Bye!